To solve an absolute value inequality, the first thing you need to do is isolate the absolute value brackets on one side of the equation. So a negative in front of the absolute value brackets is a -1, so you're going to divide each side of the inequality by a -1. Remember, when solving inequalities, if you divide each side by a negative, your inequality sign is going to flip. Once the absolute value bracket is isolated, split into two inequalities. The first one, drop the bracket. The second one, drop the bracket, flip the inequality sign, and negate the answer. To solve on the left, add 6 to each side. 4x is greater than 20. Next, divide by 4. X is greater than 5. On the right side, add 6 to each side. -14 plus 6 is -8. Divide each side by 4. And x is less than -2. To graph, x is greater than 5 is going to be an open circle on 5 going towards the right for greater than. For x is less than -2 is going to be an open circle on -2 going to the left for less than. Since we have two possible solution areas, we have to do two checks. Both go into the original inequality. So for the first check, I'm going to check something greater than 5. I'm going to check 6. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 minus 6 is 18. The absolute value of 18 is 18. Make sure the negative in front comes down with it. And -18 is less than -14, so that checks out. For the second check, again, into the original inequality, we're going to check something less than -2. I'm going to check -5. 4 times -5 is -20. -20 minus 6 is -26. The absolute value of -26 is 26. Bring down the negative in front. And -26 is less than -14, so that checks out. In order for the absolute value inequality to be correct, both answers have to check out.